Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun and fast video, we're going to be making some amazing Spritz cookies. I've got 1/3 of a cup or 45 grams of icing sugar. 1/3 of a cup of salted butter or 76 grams. I'm going to get that in there. I'm going to grab my mixer and just mix this up. Okay. And then 1/2 teaspoon or 2.5 grams of pure vanilla extract. Grab our mixer, mix that in. And then 2/3 of a cup of flour, 100 grams. And just push all those little pieces through. Nice. Grab our mixer. And now we're going to add in a little bit of milk. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of milk. Mix that in. What I'm looking for is a consistency that will be easy to pipe. See, that's very nice. I like this. So that's it for the recipe. Now I am using salted butter. If you want, you could just put a little sprinkle extra of salt in there if you like your cookies, a little bit more salted. But right there, that's nice. You can see that this is going to pipe really well. Alright, so that's it for the ingredients. So I've put all of my cookie dough into a piping bag, and the important part about this is that I'm using a Wilton 1M size tip. So now we're just going to pipe out our cookies. Any shape you want. I'm just going to go with a traditional shape, a real fun one. So up, around, there we go. Just tuck that in. So if you want to make them a little bit smaller, you can. You could do 3 little, curlies. Depends on what you want. So let's do another one. That looks good. And one more. This is very fun and very relaxing. Let's spin that around. See, if you only want to go that many, you can do it like that too. All right. good way to get all of your cookie batter towards the top. Just take a flat spatula and just gently pull against the plastic, and that will just bring it all. Is I on camera? Hopefully you can see that. Just pull it all in like that. There we go. So I'll do that one more time. A little bit more room here. Flatten out your piping bag and then just gently scrape. You can see what a nice job that does. You paid for your ingredients, you want to get them all out onto your cookie sheet. Just like that. I'll just do another. There. I've used it all up. There we go. So I'm going to be baking these in my 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Before that, very important, I'm going to put these into the freezer for 10 minutes. If you don't, all of this will just collapse. So you have to give them a little bit of time in your freezer. So I'm going to go pop them into the freezer. I'm going to bake them off and then I'll be back. So here we are right out of the oven. So I baked my Spritz cookies for exactly 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They are extremely hot. I'm going to let them completely cool down. And then the last step, we're going to do a fun little chocolate dip. And that's it for the recipe and the video as well. So I'll let those cool and I'll be back later. Now that my cookies have cooled, we're going to do our last step. And this is optional, but it does take these cookies over the top. So I've got a little bit of melted dark chocolate here. It is not tempered. And then I'm just going to grab our cookie and just go in about halfway or so. Oh, this is going to be good. And then right onto another silicone. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. You want to leave a little bit so that you can actually hold on to the cookie. And just get all that dripped off. Oh, this looks good. Look at that. Wow. This is very satisfying. Look at that. Ooh. I love chocolate. So any type of chocolate will do. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, or just leave them plain. And they're great like that as well. On our last one. Okay, there we go. And that's it. And just a quick tip, if you want your chocolate to set up or dry really quickly, just pop these in the fridge for about 15 minutes and they'll completely dry. Hey everybody, well my cookies are almost set up and now it's just time to try one because I can't wait any longer. So I'll just grab one and I'll just cut a little piece off of it. Look at that. Did you hear that nice little crunch? Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, really nice inside. And we've got that nice little bit of chocolate. And I'm going to go in for a little bite. Oh, yeah. That is good. That is super yummy. Now, like I said, the chocolate is an optional step. You don't need to do it. So this recipe makes 6 large cookies using that 1M tip from Wilton. If you want to double the amount of cookies that you have here, just simply use a smaller star tip. So these are really delicious cookies. You saw how easy it was to make. I hope you try it out at home. So that's it for this really fast and fun recipe. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Going in for another little bite. That was good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.